If you're seeing the Telegram error 406 frozen method invalid message, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it and get your account working again. This error usually happens when Telegram is blocking an outdated app version, a third-party client, or a frozen account state that needs to be reviewed before you can continue using certain features. The good news is that in most cases, this is fixable in just a few steps, and if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into the first fix. The most important thing you should do is update your Telegram app. Older versions of Telegram desktop or third-party clients that rely on outdated TDLB builds can trigger error 406 because Telegram now expects updated 64-bit identifiers and the latest supported app behavior. So first, completely close Telegram. Make sure it is not running in the background. On Windows or Mac, fully quit the app instead of just minimizing it. Then open your browser and go to the official Telegram website to download the latest version. Be careful here and only use the official release from Telegram, not random download sites or unofficial modified clients. Once the newest version is downloaded, install it and then reopen Telegram. After updating, try logging in or repeating the action that caused the error. In many cases, that alone resolves the issue because the app is no longer using outdated code or unsupported client behavior. If the error still appears, the next step is to check whether your account has been frozen or restricted. For that, log into your Telegram account on a mobile device if possible, because mobile access is often the easiest way to check account status and complete the appeal process. Then, open the Telegram bot called @SpamBot. This official bot can show you whether your account has any limits, restrictions, or freeze-related issues. It will also guide you through the appeal process if your account has been flagged. Follow the bot's instructions carefully and submit the appeal immediately if the option is available. If you can't resolve it through the bot, you can also submit an unfreeze request directly through the Telegram support form at telegram.org/support. When filling out the support request, be clear, polite, and brief. Include the error you're seeing, explain that your account appears frozen, and ask for a review of the restriction. After you submit the request, give Telegram some time to process it. Depending on the reason for the freeze, the review may not be instant, so it's important to be patient and avoid repeatedly creating new accounts or trying unofficial workarounds, since that can sometimes make the situation worse. So to quickly recap, first update Telegram to the latest official version, then check your account status using a spam bot, and if needed, send an appeal through the Telegram support form. Those two steps solve most error 406 frozen method invalid issues. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.